Today, we'd like to introduce you to the newest member of the CalDigit family. This is the Small Office Home Office Dock, or the USB-C SOHO Dock for short. The SOHO Dock is a portable USB-C dock with almost universal compatibility. It's small enough to fit in your pocket, but it uses USB-C Gen 2 10 gigabit per second technology to punch far above its weight. With 6 ports of connectivity plus pass-through charging, the SOHO is our most versatile dock yet. One of our goals with the SOHO Dock was to offer the most universally capable and compatible experience that we possibly could, and that starts with powering the dock. The SOHO can be powered either by bus power or AC power. For bus power, simply plug the SOHO into your computer and it will receive charge and operate through your computer's battery. Alternatively, the SOHO's pass-through USB-C charging port can power both the dock and your computer at the same time. Connect your laptop's USB-C charging cable to the dedicated power delivery port for up to 100 watt power delivery, which is shared by all of the USB devices on the SOHO Dock. Continuing on the theme of universal compatibility, let's move over and talk about the SOHO Dock's video options. The dock offers both HDMI 2.0B and DisplayPort 1.4, meaning that whatever port you use, you'll have access to HDR10 technology. Either video port is also capable of reaching up to 4K resolution at 60Hz refresh rate. But why choose? The SOHO Dock can drive dual monitors. On Windows machines, users can get dual extended monitors up to 4K 30Hz or dual mirrored at up to 4K 60Hz. On macOS, users can get up to dual mirrored monitors at 4K 60Hz. Moving on to the other side of the SOHO, we have a whole host of ports for any and all of your needs. The SOHO offers UHS 2 full-size and microSD card slots that are capable of faster transfer speeds. Next, we have a USB-C 10 gigabit per second port, capable of high-speed data transfers. This is a perfect fit for external SSDs or other fast storage devices. And last but not least, we have the timeless USB-A port. Not to be outshined, this port is also capable of reaching up to 10 gigabits per second. This port is at home with whatever device or peripheral you could possibly want. Keyboards and mice work perfectly here, but your imagination is really the limit. Oh, and before we forget, the SOHO Dock can also work with other USB-C devices, such as tablets. USB-C iPad Pros can get a 4K mirrored video display, and otherwise full utility of the SOHO. Wherever or however you intend to use it, the SOHO Dock is the perfect companion to just about any USB-C or Thunderbolt 3 computer. While there are inherent risks to any crowdfunded project, CalDigit has a long track record for making reliable Thunderbolt and USB devices. CalDigit. Considerate, authentic design.